Animal Kingdom today for a little animal adventure. The kid is wilderness exploring. And we are heading over to go see the Lion King show. Come join us. But I love the vibe of this park. It's so exploratory. It's not focused hardcore on rides. It's more about experiences. That's kind of what we do most of the time. So this is a good park for us. That is the line for the safari right now. Oh my God, it's a 2-hour wait. We were gonna try safari today, not happening, but I am getting a popcorn refill. So the bakery's not as much of a bakery anymore as it's an actual food spot. So we're gonna try a pork flatbread sandwich. Little weird angle, but pork flatbread sandwich from the Kusafari Bakery. Comes with handmade chips.
Hi.
Kiddo in the corner.
Hi.
I have something on my nose. Probably easier to eat with a fork, but that thing was delicious. Not a bad price for 11 bucks. And it is a little spicy. Just keep that in mind. Not like super spicy, but it was too spicy for the kiddo, who is eating Disney popcorn with her tongue like a giraffe. All right, we're gonna go get in line for the Lion King, the festival of the Lion King.
That's how you don't get your hands dirty.
Oh, okay. It's how you don't get your hands dirty, according to the kiddo.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Look, everyone, it's the Lion King! Sit up. Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet! Thank you.
Are you enjoying this video? If so, there are a few things that you can do that would really help Dad out. Go ahead and subscribe, give the video a like, and hit the notification bell. That would be great. We have switched to the GoPro because we are going on the Cali River Rapids. We have ponchos ready so that we don't get too soaked for the rest of the day. You guys ready? Allie Belly, you ready? Oh, there's Everest. Here we go. Whoa! Here we go. Hold on. Oh boy. They were definitely in the wet zone. Oh yeah. Oh boy, we're already wet. Here we go.
She's like, this is not what I wanted to
Oh no, no. Oh, we got lucky. We got lucky. Oh, I almost got a face full of water. Oh my God.
I didn't get wet. I know, and I didn't get wet from the shooter.
No, the shooters did not get us.
Where's my mom?
So far, so good.
Be sure you have all the gear. You'll need it for your next adventure. Thank you.
Oh, that was it. That's so short. That was it. That was it. And we are getting to go again. This is awesome. Thankfully, because we got on the handicap section with some nice people, and they asked if we want to go again. And guess what? We want to go again. We're gonna bump them. Oh no, they're holding us. They're holding us. Oh, that's a rough hit. That was a rough hit. We just finished Cali River Rapids, and there's a monkey. We got to ride twice. They asked us, do you want to go again? Because we were on with a person who was in a wheelchair, and we got to ride twice. Did you like Cali River Rapids? Would you ride it a third time? Yeah, it was pretty fun.
Fourth time.
All right, we are hungry now. We're gonna find some food. He's not impressed with our monkey sounds. You see him? No, that's a dragon. Little Komodo dragon action, and we are off on our trek. My plans for food got sidetracked because we wanted to walk around. Oh, he's climbing down. see what's up there. Actually, just the one. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like the elephants are here. Would you like to support this channel? Well, you could become a member. Hit the little join button down below or go to patreon.com/dadgotparks and join there. There are all kinds of benefits like winning personal shops, little prizes, and every month Dad gives away a big prize like a Loungefly bag or something. Information is in the description if you are interested. I have never noticed. Ellie, look. Look. Can we take your picture? Take a picture? We have finally made it to the part that I was excited about, food. And we are going to eat at the Satuli Canteen in Pandora. I like the food here. They have this awesome noodle bowl. Comes with steak. You can get a creamy sauce. You can do all kinds of combinations. We got ours with noodles. Delicious. This was a steak and chicken combo. 17 bucks, not bad. Kiddo got a hot dog wrapped in a crescent roll, basically. We're gonna munch up a little bit and we'll explore Pandora. That pita sandwich was like $11 and something cents versus $10.25 for a hot dog. Hey kiddo, what do you got there?
The ice cream sandwich.
You like those better than the ice cream bars? They're your favorite, aren't they? Silly. That's gonna do it for Dad Got Parks from Animal Kingdom today. Do all the likey, subscribe stuff. Dad might have very tired feet, but Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it.
Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye.
What she said. If you enjoyed that video, why not throw Dad a good old like and subscribe and do the notification thing, or leave me a comment about what your favorite part of this video was. That would really help Dad out, and you can go check out one of these other videos. I'm sure they're fantastic. I mean, I made them, so I'm pretty sure they're fantastic. All right, yeah, do that stuff.